Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla, and you're watching me on Zoom.
Which was the most challenging scene for you to pull off in the series?
The most challenging for me was the drunken scene. There are times that I am drunk and I'm supposed to be drunk, and to have that come out because I've never done a drunken scene before this, and so it was slightly challenging, yes, but it was fun at the same time.
Which moment or situation from your life would you term as broken but beautiful?
Many, if you actually want to see it. A lot of times. I think life's fun when you have ups and downs, because like the cardiogram, if it's flat, it's boring, you're dead. So everything's broken, sometimes beautiful. It makes everything. That's how life is, and it's fun.
What made you say yes to broken but beautiful?
Well, very honestly, when I was offered Broken But Beautiful, when we went for the story, and when I heard the story, I just loved the storyline and I could relate to it. And that's actually one of the biggest reasons why I went ahead for the show.
How excited, nervous are you before your digital debut?
Very, very excited, nervous at the same time, because one doesn't know how people are gonna, take you, accept you, not accept you, and the kind of job that you want to do, you want it to be different from what you've been doing regularly, and this is different. But for people to accept you, in a different avatar, yes. So yeah, nervous and also excited at the same time.
You have been a part of TV, fiction and non-fiction both, films and now OTT, and digital is on a boom currently.
Right.
Your thoughts on various mediums? Do you think OTT is here to stay? And do you have a preference or any of these mediums?
No, actually, for me, the medium really doesn't make much of a difference, simply because as an actor, I enjoy my job and I love acting. And so, wherever there's something great that comes my way, I like to go for it. And talking about OTT, yes, it is the next big thing now. And I see a lot of people getting onto it now. And now, unfortunately, for the times that we are in, there is not a lot of content that's there out on television, and so OTT is another way forward. And I just feel it's amazing that there's so much more that you can do in this space, and and it takes us all in, so that's great. Yeah.
Any similarities between Siddharth and Agastya?
Similarities between Siddharth, yeah, pretty much. I mean, yes. To an extent, yes. A lot of situations that Agastya has gone in his life, goes in the life, are quite a few of those instances have happened with me too in my life, and so I could relate to it, and yeah, that was the fun part of it.
Message to your fans for your digital debut.
Yes, guys, I guess we all need to stay home. I know it just gets slightly boring at times and it gets frustrating at times, but we don't have a choice. The pandemic's huge, and also that, at this point, we haven't learned much about the virus. So we see it's best that we stay indoors and really not get out that much. And and not just for our safety, just for the safety of everybody at home. It's best that we stay in and just get glued to OTT.